The camera batteries have not been cooperating lately. I think I killed them by having them out in like 14-degree weather, but today we are going to make a disinfectant. So as I was saying before the battery died again, we're going to make a spray to disinfect your boots, your gloves, your chore clothing from the H1N1 bird flu. We got our spray bottle, our isopropyl alcohol, and some lemongrass oil. And we have this filled 50% with water. Not sure if that's showing up on camera. And we're going to fill the other 50% with the alcohol in a 50-50 mixture. And then add a little bit of this lemongrass oil, and we should have something that kills the virus if it happens to get on our clothing, gloves, boots, jacket, whatever. Here we are. Just shove it up on here. Just open up our isopropyl alcohol. And we're going to just pour it into here. So we've got it about 50% of the way. Like so. Whoops. Alright. We want to take a very tiny amount of this lemongrass oil because it's really strong. And just put a little bit in there. And that should do it. Just put this back in here. And shake it up, and we've got a nice spray to kill any nasties that end up on our chore boots, gloves, clothes. When we come back in, if you've got a mud room, even better. Keep your chore boots and clothes out there so they don't even have to come in your house and, keep everything disinfected and sanitary because this bird flu shit is scary.